Hello friends, so today I'm going to show you the protective phone case again from the ESR brand. So this is again for iPhone 13, the tech made easier. So in when I open the box I got a case, and this is one badging like the military grade protection is there. This is just an image how it will stand with the iPhone, and this is the camera guard. Here guard corners are there, and the raised screen edges so that it can protect all the corners of your iPhone. So now I will show you how it fits on the iPhone 13. So here is the iPhone 13, and if you see here it looks very premium, and you all guys can go for it. And if you can see the really very fit and finish, and it feels really luxury and fit. It's good hold on the with the hand, no slippery. And you can see here, so your camera is always protected due to this camera guard, more harm as compared to this camera. So this is one good thing. And if you see here for the screen, so these are all the upper edges that are easily protect the corner of your screens. So this thing I feel really very good with this case. These upper edges are all help to protect your edges of the screen. So in overall the quality of this product is really good and feels so premium. I recommend you to buy this. I bought this from the Amazon at a price of 900 rupees. Thanks for watching the guys. Thank you.